Hey Sedge, what do you got on there?
Check it out. All right, so I built these cabinets, right? And I wanted to get a basic layout of how I'm gonna set it up on this wall right here. And in the video, leveling a toe kick, I need to take what's on the bottom of these off. Now, every time I built cabinets back in Fort Lauderdale, Mikey and I would always put these on because we would build them, assemble them, but then we would take them apart. But as we were looking at things, we didn't want the edge banding to fall off. So we always invested in these, and these are reusable. And what they are, these little nylon pieces with a little nail that we put in here so you don't ruin the cabinet after it's assembled or you're waiting for an install. We always put these on, and because I'll tell you right now, that if that was laying on the floor, okay, just on the bottom here, you would stand a chance of it peeling off or chipping. So these are worthy investment, and guess what? You take them out, you save them. They're well worth the money. I think they're dirt cheap. So there you go. Hopefully this is a good tip for you. Hey, be positive, stay sharp.